Morning, here we are. So today we're going to be recapping Pythagoras. Right, so you've done this before and you know that to find the hypotenuse squared, you square each of the shorter sides and you add them. So let's work through two questions before you get on with the task. So to find this is the hypotenuse. It is the longest side. Get your ruler out and check if you need to, if they've drawn it in a funny way. It's also opposite the right angle. So 3 squared, this is step 1, we're going to square them. Square the values. Now we need to decide if we're adding or subtracting. We're going to be adding because we're looking for the longer side. So it's going to be an addition or subtraction. And then if x squared equals 3 squared, add 7 squared, and we need to find x, to undo the squared, we need to square root. So our x will be 3 squared, add 7 squared, all square rooted. So square root. We're going to do that each time. Now on our calculator, we're going to type on here 3 squared. Oh, we're going to make it look like the board. We're going to put a square root and do it underneath in one go. It's easier actually. 3 squared, add 7 squared. Press equals. You're going to get your square root and you can press SD to turn it into a decimal. So your answer is either root 58 or 7.62. Both good answers. Okay, so we're going to be finding x here. We're going to follow the steps. Number 1, square them. So I'm going to write 11 squared, 5 squared. Now you're going to add or subtract. Now this time we are not looking for the hypotenuse. We are looking for one of the 2 shorter sides. So it's subtract. And then you need to square root them. So on our calculator, I'm just going to show you something that might happen if you write them and you get an error like this. What has happened is you have tried to take away the shorter side, the hypotenuse, when you shouldn't. So you have to have the larger number here, the smaller number here. So this is 4 root 6 in third form, or 9.80 when rounded. So 9.80 will be my answer. Right, if you do the task, good luck.